Listen to me carefully. You're wasting your life waiting for someone who already decided you are not part of her future. Read that again. She decided, not you, not fate. She did. And the sooner you accept it, the sooner your real life begins. 1. She left because she wanted something else. People don't leave by accident. They leave because they think they can do better. They leave because they got comfortable disrespecting you. They leave because they wanted more attention, more excitement, more validation. And you? You gave your loyalty, your time, your emotions to someone who was already halfway out the door. That's not love. That's self-destruction. 2. The pain you feel right now is your turning point. I won't lie. Losing someone hurts. It feels like a piece of your identity was ripped away. It feels like nothing makes sense. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Pain is the door to your next chapter. Every great man you admire was built from heartbreak, rejection, and disappointment. Not one strong man came from comfort. 3. She's not coming back, and that's your freedom. Let this sink. If she wanted to be with you, she'd be here right now. No mixed signals. No, maybe. No, I need time. No, I'm confused. She knows exactly what she's doing. She's living her life. And you repaused, stuck in memories, stuck in screenshots, stuck in what if. But when you truly accept she's not coming back, you unlock something powerful. Freedom. Freedom to rebuild. Freedom to grow. Freedom to level up without emotional chains. 4. Focus on what you can control, yourself. You can't control her choices, but you can control something far more important. Your evolution. Work on your body. Work on your mind. Work on your purpose. Learn a skill. Stack your money. Build discipline so strong that the version of you who chased her would be embarrassed. Women are attracted to men who are moving forward, not men who are stuck in the past. 5. One day, she will notice your glow up. Not because you chased her, not because you begged, not because you waited, but because you leveled up so hard that the man she left doesn't exist anymore. She will see you happier, more confident, focused, disciplined, and unreachable. And that's when the tables turn. Not because she deserves you back, but because you outgrew her. 6. You are not losing her. She lost you. Repeat this in your mind. I'm not losing her. She lost me. She lost a man who loved her deeply. She lost a man who would have built a life with her. She lost a loyal heart in a world full of temporary attention. That is her loss, not yours. Your loss is only temporary. Hers is permanent. 7. Your new life starts when you let go. Let go of the idea of her. Let go of the fantasy. Let go of the maybe someday. She's not coming back. And that's okay. Because now, your story begins. This is your comeback season. Your transformation era. Your rise. Stop wasting your time waiting for someone who walked away. Start investing it into becoming the man you were always meant to be. She's not coming back, bro. But your greatness is. Now get up and level up instead.